Kami ang mag-uulat sa ika-6 na pangkat. Ako si Arcely Justo sa introduction at si Binibining Jovan May Fajardo naman ay mag-uulat para sa object, si Venus Love Pipito sa content, si Irish Jade Mindo sa style at si Gwen Hyacinth Birdie naman ay para sa konklusyon.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. Ngayon ay tatalakayin namin ang patungkol sa art appropriation. Ngunit bago niyan ay narito ang aming dalawang learning objectives. Ito ay ang to define the elements of art appropriation, and the last one is to reflect the importance of art appropriation and their elements. So what is art appropriation? Appropriation in art refers to the act of borrowing or reusing existing elements within a new work. Appropriation in art refers to the practice of artists using pre-existing objects or images in their art with little transformation of the original. So may 5 elemento ang art appropriation, ngunit tatalakayin namin ang 3 sa mga ito.
Ang unang elemento ng art appropriation ay ang object. It refers to a physical item or element that borrowed or reused from existing sources and incorporated into a new artwork. It can be anything tangible such as found object, a mass-produced item, a cultural artifact, or any other physical material that the artist choose to incorporate into their work. Example of this is The Fountain, 1917 by Marcel Duchamp. In this piece, Duchamp took a urinal, turned it upside down, and signed it with the pseudonym Armat. Sa kabuuan, ang object sa art appropriation ay maaaring magdulot ng malalim na pagninilay at pagsusuri sa mga bagay at kahulugan sa pamamagitan ng sining.
The second element of art appropriation is content. Content is any information represented, described, displayed, or shown in a picture, text, story, or other communication. Thus, content appropriation is extremely common. This explains that content refers to any information conveyed through various mediums such as pictures, text, stories, or other form of communication. Content appropriation, which is the act of using or reusing content created by others, is widespread due to the abundance of accessibility of content in today's digital age. Some common content of art appropriation. First is iconic artwork, political and social commentary, pop culture, imagery, and history.
Tatalakayin ko naman ang pangatlong elemento ng art appropriation. Style. Style is an appropriation encompasses the techniques, aesthetic, or visual language employed by the artist in incorporating borrowed elements into their own work. Artists may adopt various styles, ranging from direct replication or interpretation of existing artwork to more conceptual or abstract approach. Art appropriation style borrowing is like taking artistic DNA. An artist picks techniques, colors, or how things are arranged, visual language from another style. They can use it exactly replication or twist it to interpretation for a new idea. It's all about transforming the borrowed style, not just copying it. This lets artists experiment and create new, surprising art.
In conclusion, appropriation art raises question of originality, authenticity, and authorship, and belongs to the long modernist tradition of art that questions the nature or definition of art itself. The 3 of the main elements of art appropriation, such as content, object, style, are essential. Content gives meaning, object provides the material, and style determines how it looks. Together, they let artists explore important issues, challenge norms, and start conversations. Understanding these parts help us see how art appropriation reshapes familiar things and make us think differently about art. At dyan, nagtatapos ang aming talakayan patungkol sa mga elemento ng art appropriation. Naway nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at maraming salamat sa panonood.